Hey everybody, how's it going? So today I got a small, quick little haul from Tractor Supply. This was the day before Thanksgiving. Today is November 27th, Saturday, 2021, so it's been several days later. But please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. What is up, everybody? How's it going? And welcome back to the channel. Before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, and smush the bell notification icon for future updates. As the bag shows, Tractor Supply. Little small tool haul. This was done, I'm pretty sure this was done, this was done the 24th of November 2021, the day before Thanksgiving. Just a couple items I picked up just to have them are these mounting brackets from Hopkins. Tractor Supply is the only company that sells these, and you guys have seen these on the channel before. So these are little clamps that you actually bolt to your tow hitch, and this actually clamps on the 4 flat wire and keeps it from sliding out. Toyota originally installed something similar to this, but it was actually stamped with Toyota's name on it, and it wasn't made of this kind of plastic. It was actually made of a harder rubber. Problem is you can't find them anymore, because this type of part was installed when the 2000 4Runners, 99 4Runners, you know, any 3rd gen, when it came over from Japan and it hit the port. Things like this, the tow hitch, headlight bulbs, bumpers, you know, some bumpers, fog lights, some added accessories that, you know, you would have paid extra for would have been installed at the port, because they were required to make sure it was legal before it went to the dealership. I picked up 3 more of these. I didn't need them. I just grabbed them just in case, because these are hard to find, and I keep forgetting where I found them, and then I run into them. And then I picked up 2 Rafter Squares from Crescent. These are the ones that have they'll do 6-inch, and then they fold out to 12. I like the color combination. I like that it's gray and orange, and I like that the letters or numbers and everything are white. Even on the orange, it's easy to see. And this is to compare against the Husky ones that I did videos on a while back, where I had measured them and the Husky ones didn't measure correctly. I think I might have been measuring them wrong, but we will try to do that video again, but we're going to do it with this 2-in-1 Crescent version, and this is actually the first one that I remember companies having. I remember Crescent had these out probably 2 years before Husky, but you can only order them online. Now you can get them in stores. And just pop it out. But it says 2-in-1 tool, fold out extension, cut large lumber, lightweight construction, corrosion resistant finish. 6 more inches, fold out extension, patent pending. Fold out extension creates a 2-in-1 tool and eliminates the need to carry a 7-inch and a 12-inch square. Also acts as a continuous edge for scribing and marking large scale lumber. Quick access thumb lock, because it actually locks with a ball bearing down here. So right here. So if you open this again, there's ball bearings right here, and it just locks up against that. You know, you can also do other things with this. You can actually use it to measure 90 degrees. If you have a 90-degree angle finder with you, you can actually set this to 90 degrees, and then you could just bump up against something like that and make sure that it's 90 degrees here. You can use it to trace 90 degrees around. You can use it to make circles. all kinds of stuff. If you put a pencil anywhere in here, you can actually use it to pivot it. You can also put, you know, a pencil down here and hold the pencil here and then rotate it like this. It will make a complete circle. There's all kinds of things you can do with Rafter Squares. These are the EX6 model. They are model number is Lima Sam Peter 6 Tony Sam Craig -07 or LSSP 6TSC-07. I grabbed 2 of them. They were 20 bucks a piece. Not bad at all. The Husky ones, I think, are, from when I bought them, they were 14 bucks if I remember correctly. And I grabbed 2 of these. That's it. And then I grabbed, you know, these as spares. That's all I grabbed. You know, it wasn't much else. They're a Crescent brand. I've been getting a lot of Crescent brands lately. I've been liking Crescent tools a lot. And not all squares are the same. Some of them have pencil notches in here where, you know, they're little circles. Some have, you know, rectangles and zigzags, all depending on the design that they wanted to put into their square. I always buy 2. No matter what I'm doing, I always purchase 2 squares, and that is in particular because when you're measuring like welding and stuff like that, it's better to have 2. It's better to actually have 4, and I have tons of squares. I got Empire, Crescent, Milwaukee, several other. I think I have a couple. I have a couple Stanleys. I have a couple DeWalt's. I got quite a bit of squares. I even have 12-inch squares. I have 4-inch squares. I think I have a 5-inch, and then these are 6-inch. But that's all I got for you guys. It's just a little tiny haul. It wasn't really much. It was it was 72 bucks for this stuff right here, because 20 and 20 is 40. And then these are $8.99 a piece. These little plugs, the adapters, wire holders, tow harness holders. But that's all I got for you guys. Hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day. If you guys, you guys leave me comments down below. What's your favorite Rafter square, or speed square? Do you like 12-inch ones? Do you like these 6-inch ones? Have you used them with the fold-outs that go to 12-inch? Do you like the 4-inch ones the most? Which one has the best features that you like? Because they all have different features. They're all different. You know, leave comments down below. Get a conversation started about it. I do hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day. As always, please like, comment, subscribe. Smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And again, I got these at Tractor Supply. Y'all have an awesome rest of your day, and I will see you guys on the next video. Peace!